Hello and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we will look at how to enable slow and quick, also known as S&Q, movie mode in a compatible Sony Alpha camera. This brief how-to video won't illustrate how to set the S&Q mode on the Alpha 7S Mark III. Please see the how-to video on setting slow and quick on the Alpha 7S Mark III, which will be linked in the bio below. To begin, press the menu button, then navigate to the second camera tab icon. Toward the bottom, there is the menu option S&Q. Select this, and you will see the control options for slow and quick movie recording. The two options that are available are record setting and frame rate. Underneath that, the camera will give you key information about your record settings. The camera will also outline the bitrate and the effect you will have in this record mode. In this case, there is 4 times slow motion. For all Alpha cameras other than the Alpha 7S Mark III, slow and quick mode records in the XAVCS HD format only, so no 4K. Within the frame rate menu setting, this is where the recorded frame rate can be selected. For fast video playback, try using 6 or 12 frames per second. For slow motion, 50 or 100 frames per second are the ideal choice. The record setting option determines the movie recording frame rate. For playback at regular time, choose 25p. For slow motion movie playback, choose 50p. For this demonstration, we will choose record setting of 25p and frame rate of 100 frames per second. With the record and frame settings made, change your camera mode into the S&Q movie mode. On the screen in the top left corner, the settings that were made for S&Q are now displayed. And one final note on filming video in S&Q, the camera will not record any audio, so be mindful of that as you are recording your videos. That is how you enable S&Q movie mode on your Sony camera. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next one.